Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you are all well. Today I come again with a new interesting video and going to look for another new place. See the full video. Watch my video to the end to see the place. Place is located near the American city of Atlanta. A satellite image on Google Maps shows an old airplane parking inside an airport. Is an small airplane graveyard. A video in my previous the world's largest airplane graveyard. You can watch the video by clicking on the I button. See the video. You like my video? Like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.